Alright, y'all, this is great, man. About to put this thing back together, though. Just got done power washing it, man. Hey, well, she clean right now, though. About to throw the motor back in, shine up the motor a little bit, though. I already did the rebuild, man. It turned out, it was alright. It wasn't that bad, though, for real. It was a little bit easy, man. They were just about to put it back on. I'm not gonna paint my frame or nothing, because you ain't gonna hold to see my frame at all, though. But about to start putting it back together now, though. Shit's gonna be like, though. For the most part, I cleaned up motor up as much as I wanted to right now, though, but she act off. I still got some more parts coming in for it, though, but as of right now, we're about to start putting it back together, though. I'm gonna try to get my plastic sewn today. Motor in. I'm trying to get most of all of it down, though, for real, though, today, though. And I'm mad, though, because it's like 50-something degrees outside, and she's just still inside the house. What you doing? You doing too much. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get this thing together, though.
This be P-Town Productions banger.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money.
I feel this, so I rip it when I spit shit. Some say I'm nice, but I just tell them I'm gifted. Flow in my brain like the blood in my veins. I keep people's attention like the score of the game. Hey, some say I'm different, but I'm never gonna change. And yes, I am to greatness, what hurt is the pain. The same, new levels to reach, new goals to obtain. Hey, when I'm driving with my thoughts, I'm in all four of the lanes. And my lyrics is ether and my flow is propane. It's attempted admittance cause I'm going insane. Open my mind like I open my wallet, cause each day that I live I make a mental deposit. Yeah, I'm religious, but please don't get me twisted. Have them put you down 6 by hitting one of them switches. Old schoolers call me Sid, cause they know that I'm vicious. I done seen more green than Granny cleaning her kitchen. Yeah.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money.
Yeah, I said money is the motive, I'm tuned and I'm focused. It's cash in my vision, all I see is money ocean. I shirt the competition like the skin of a locust. Farewell to the haters, you first on my hit list. I mean wish list, maybe that gets list. I take your wifey then sell her back on Craigslist. I buy my books, yeah, you know I check my money list. Earn $1 million, yeah, first on my bucket list. I get reckless, young and I'm restless. Money on my mind and you know I'm gon' get this. Unfinished business, I'm gon' kill this. MC Hammer Flow, can't touch this. I'm on that crazy shit, supernova blazing shit. I'm on that new jack, rockabye baby shit. CMB, my brothers keep a shit. P-Town, love, the next level shit.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money.
I'm trying to make my money, I'm trying to change things. These bitches think I'm lame, they want the finer things. He gotta have his bread, gotta give me head. Can't have no side hoes, cause they think they got it. He gotta, but I'm not on them games. Just keep it in a lane. She did that shit for fame, but what's that hoe's name? I'm out here working, she's out here twerking or tweaking. I'm fiending for the money.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money.
Productions.
My swag, turned up, we bad, turned up, these jams, turned up, them stacks, turned up, yo bitch, turned up, her friends, turned up, these ends, turned up, get in, turned up, my niggas, turned up, these figures, turned up, we here, turned up, go in, turned up, the club, turned up, this bug, turned up, what's up, turned up, we bug.
Let's cut to the chase, slow my life down, pumping my brakes. Sticking to my work and I'm sticking like herb, but I'm sticking to the music like I'm stuck to the tape. I was from a state where I come from a place where they throw a mask when I put a gun to your face, or a pump to your face, or a cut to your waist. Watch your back out here and keep your gun up in shape, cause people always out here hating on the regular. Gotta watch your back, bros, what the hell I'm telling ya. Acting like heaven, I don't think you went through hell enough. I ain't scared of ya, but I'm one step ahead of ya. Boom, good loud, turn it up to the maximum. Can I get a good life? God, that's what I'm asking them. Put the Benjamins in my face and I'm smashing them, dragging it and laughing at them when I get to passing them. Now I'm back up on my writing shit, you know I gotta write the script. Don't bite your lip, I beat you up on some ice shit. I know I look good, but I won't wipe a bitch. Gotta get back on my flow, getting the dough, doing shows on the road. 100% of you niggas really don't know. I flip and switch the flow like I'm cooking dope. Wrap shit around my hand like I got a rope. Only time I take a break is when I gotta smoke. What you don't know won't hurt until the show. Not that loud, nigga, then I gotta blow. Now it's time to switch it up, won't heat it up, won't heat it up, but I'll try to beat it out the motherfucking frame. Claiming that's real, I think you need to read it up before I see what's up. I'm beating out your motherfucking brains.
This my swag, turned up, we bad, turned up, these jams, turned up, them stacks, turned up, yo bitch, turned up, her friends, turned up, these ends, turned up, get in, turned up, my niggas, turned up, these figures, turned up, we here, turned up, go in, turned up, the club, turned up, this bug, turned up, what's up, turned up, we bug.
On the same spot, nigga, get their brains rockin'. The same spot that your girl giving range. I spittin' crack on the track, niggas with the same spot. Niggas heavy hitters go hard like a train stop. Niggas know me cause I stay high. Keep bad bitch on my side like a day job. If a nigga want beef, we can pork chop. Throwing niggas hard at home like a shortstop. Got a mind for a bad bitch, show enough, you nigga I'm a savage. What's up? My niggas getting cabbage, more buzz, these niggas in the casket. Oh fuck, these niggas getting mad when I show up. These hoes up a while when I go nuts, keep me yelling oh my when I blow up. Niggas know I give no fucks. These bitches acting, no casting, nigga, who's your director? My niggas packing that action, keep that heat close like sweaters. You boys pussy protectors, haters we never bless them. Fuck boys we never stress them, open shells and let them test them. Turn up my niggas, eating pockets where we keep that goldfish. I'm dealing niggas hands, switch the game, cash out like goldfish. Homie, my static major, call me pain, sergeant murder. I body gloves with lyrical shots you never heard
My
of.
swag, turned up, we bad, turned up, this jam, turned up, them stacks, turned up, yo bitch, turned up, her friends, turned up, these ends, turned up, get in, turned up, my niggas, turned up, these figures, turned up, we here, turned up, go in, turned up, the club, turned up, this bug, turned up, what's up, turned up, we bug, turned up.
In the club, we turn up, blunts, we roll up, ignite it, watch it burn up, cause every night we gon' turn up, popping bottles, bitches show up, taking shots until we throw up, popping Molly, party go up, with flames, so what, drinking loco till we go nuts, my bros, they turn up, these hoes, they turn up, my swag is on some turn up, oh shit, they turned up, oh yeah, I got them turned up, we drink and go nuts, we drink and go nuts.
My swag, turned up, we bad, turned up, this jam, turned up, them stacks, turned up, yo bitch, turned up, her friends, turned up, these ends, turned up, get in, turned up, my niggas, turned up, these figures, turned up, we here, turned up, go in, turned up, the club.
Alright, y'all, this is it right here, man. Moment of truth. Not done, not fully done with it yet, though. Still got a little more stuff to do. Waiting on some my levers to come in, and some more stuff I gotta do. Gotta put the chain back on and clean it up, stuff like that, clean the chain. But as of right now, everything else is back together. I'm about to put these liquids in here, and we're gonna see if she'll start up, man. See what we can do. I don't know if it's gonna start first kick. I doubt it, but I'm hoping not too many kicks and she'll fire up, and then after that though she'll be good to go. But as of right now, she's looking pretty good. Got on my front porch right now. I ain't trying to start up in my house for real though. But let me go ahead and put these fluids in here, man. Let's see what we got. All right, y'all, got these fluids in it now, man. Wish me luck. Let's see what she do, man. I'm excited, man. Make sure we got this gas on. Feel like it got good compression though.
Two hours later.